Hello everyone. Once again, this is Mayura Fadke, your glass consultant, glass designer, executor, and supplier. Well, today I'm going to talk about very basic requirement that is there for every residential site. That is, which type of glass I should go for uh, when it is a requirement of tabletop glass or basic usage of glass in any residential interiors. So glass basically are of two types. That is, one is extra clear glass, and other is normal glass. That is plain glass, float glass, as you say. Well, I'll just show you. Oh, this is normal glass. That is basic glass, which we normally use for shelves and for toughened glass, for wall partitions in commercial premises and all commercial projects there also. So, and this is extra clear glass, so you can make out the difference, right? I've just taken 12 glasses for both samples, because you'll come to know how they actually look. So the edges are crystal clear in extra clear glass, whereas these normal glasses have a green tinge in it. So this is the difference, and those come in different size. That is different So now this is normal glass, which is in 6 and the same normal glass in extra clear glass in 6 So just to know the difference, I showed you 12 thickness glass. Okay. Now for when you consider for residential site, if you are going for digital print on glass, or a back painted glass, or a glass writing board, or for headboard, or a designer back painted glass with 2-3 colors into it, you should definitely opt for extra clear glass, because extra clear glass will give you the exact result of the color combinations that you're going for. Because precisely when we select a back painted glass, we want the color to match the laminate or the veneer, right? Or you want to match it to some other element or the harmony that is being selected by the interior, and you want it closest to it, right? So to have that same color tone, we need to take extra clear glass, because since it is extra clear, and the other one is having a green tinge. So if you go to see, I have hold here two glasses. One is normal and one is extra clear. There is a little difference. Now in video actually you cannot make out as such, but this is the extra clear one, this is normal one. So when we paint yellow color or basic pastel shades or normal glass, those are not exact replica of what we select from the color catalog. So definitely I would say that when you want to go for back painted glasses for wardrobes, or say tabletops, or for white writing board, or your kitchen dado glass, and partitions, colored partitions or digital partitions, go for extra clear glass. And for tabletops, you can go for extra clear glass when it is very much required only. Because if you are using a wonderful veneer and all, or Korean finish tabletop, just for maintenance, if you're putting the glass, you can definitely go for extra clear, because it will add beauty to that tabletop. And when we need somewhere, when we use bevel edges for the glasses, those are mostly used for door paneling and everything. When you use beveled edges, then go for extra clear glass. They give wonderful look, and it gives a nice crystal shiny effect as compared to normal glass. All right. So this is what about all about this thing, extra clear glass and normal glass. Cost wise, if you ask, it's double the price from the normal glass, but wherever it is required, it is required. So to know about more about this, and to select your designer glass for your homes and residential, do connect with me, and you can visit my showroom and get to know more about different types of glasses, and the different applications that can be used in your residential sites. Thank you.